and welcome back to Punk's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the indicator bulb at the back of a Volvo V70 Mark III. It's called the V72, but it's actually the V70 Mark III. Anyway, we're going to be replacing the indicator bulb on liners today. And if you're wondering why I'm looking at the side, I have a bit hard to look at the camera, and I'm filming myself with my my arm of filming today, so bear with me, but let's get going. We start off by getting rid of this panel and just push it up underneath and then hook it loose from these. Then we remove this little piece of foam just by pulling it out, then twist this anti-clockwise, this little stick here, and we have a broken bulb here. I think you can see what's happened. Yeah, it was overdue. Then we need to remove this. Then we take the new bulb, and I've gone for these chrome-ish ones because I don't like that shining effect from the orange ones when they're not indicating. We twist it in this thing, and then we just need to push it in again, which I'm attempting to do right now. And there we go, it's in and the job is done. Just need to push this back in place, which we do by compressing it, since it's a bit like a sponge thing. Just making it sit like it should again. This cable is sticking out. Then push this back, and that's that done. So if you like today's video, please do commenting and do liking and do subscribing and do many things down below the video and all those other things that YouTubers usually want you to do. And I'll see you next time again. Goodbye.